Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks, projects, and deadlines? So you're not alone. And if you're looking for a tool to help you conquer chaos and streamline your workflow, you might have come across Wrike. But before you dive in, let's address a burning question. Who does Wrike compete with? Think of Wrike as a digital workspace, a central hub where teams can collaborate, manage tasks, and track progress. It's designed to make work more efficient and enjoyable. But Wrike isn't the only player in this game. There are several other tools out there vying for your attention. Competitor 1, Asana. Asana is one of the most popular project management tools on the market. It's known for its clean interface and straightforward approach. Like Wrike, Asana offers features like task assignment, due dates, and time tracking. But where Wrike excels in its flexibility and customization options, Asana might be a better fit for teams that prefer a more streamlined experience. Competitor 2, Trello. Trello takes a unique approach to project management, using a visual board system with cards representing tasks. This Kanban-style interface can be appealing to teams that like to see their work organized in a visual way. However, while Trello is great for simple projects, it might fall short when it comes to complex workflows and advanced features. Competitor 3, Monday.com. Monday.com is another popular choice, offering a highly customizable platform that can be adapted to fit various team needs. It's known for its flexibility and its ability to handle complex projects. However, Monday.com can be a bit overwhelming for smaller teams or those who prefer a simpler interface. Competitor 4, Basecamp. Basecamp is a veteran in the project management space, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for communication, collaboration, and task management. It's known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a good choice for teams that prefer a more traditional approach. However, Basecamp might not be the best option for teams that require advanced features like time tracking or resource management. Competitor 5, Jira. Jira is a powerful tool specifically designed for software development teams. It offers a wide range of features, including issue tracking, bug management, and agile project management. While Jira is a great choice for software development teams, it might be overkill for other types of teams. Key differentiators. Now that we've explored some of Wrike's main competitors, let's delve deeper into what sets Wrike apart. Here are a few key differentiators. Flexibility and customization. Wrike offers a high degree of customization, allowing teams to tailor the platform to their specific needs. Advanced features. Wrike includes advanced features like resource management, time tracking, and custom reporting, making it a good choice for complex projects. Collaboration tools. Wrike's collaboration features, including real-time commenting, file sharing, and it mentions, make it easy for teams to work together effectively. Integration capabilities. Wrike integrates with a wide range of other tools, including popular productivity apps and CRM systems. Choosing the right tool. So, which tool is right for you? The answer depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a flexible, customizable platform with advanced features, Wrike might be a great choice. However, if you prefer a simpler interface or have specific requirements, one of the other competitors might be a better fit. The project management landscape is constantly evolving, and new tools are emerging all the time. The key is to find a tool that works for you and your team. By understanding the strengths and weaknesses of different options, you can make an informed decision and choose the best tool to help you achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.